we are still under completing the square method. Let's look at this equation. Solve the equation by using completing the square method. 2x squared plus 7x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we know first of all we have to make x squared a unity. So we have divide both sides by 2, because that's the coefficient of the x squared there, plus 7x over 2 plus 2 divided 2 is 1 is equals to what? 0. When 2 0, when any number divides 0 is still 0. Now the next step is to find the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x there is 7 over 2, and you multiply it by half. When you multiply 7 over 2 by half, you have 7 over what? 4. You now have x squared, you now add it to both sides. X squared plus 7 over 4 all raised to power 2 plus, okay, is equals to, we have to move this one over, changing to minus what? 1. So minus 1 plus 7 over 4 all raised to power what? 2. So we now have x plus 7 over 4 all raised to power 2 is equals to minus 1 plus 7 raised to power 2 is 49 over 4 raised to power 2 is 16. So we now have x plus 7 over 4 all raised to power 2 is equals to over 1. So the division of 1 and 16 is 16. 1 divided 16 is 16. 16 times minus 1 is minus 16 plus 16 divided 16 is 1. 1 times 49 is 49. So x plus 7 over 4 all raised to power 2 is equals to 49 minus, that is minus 16 plus 49. You'll be having 33 over what? 16. So now you have x plus 7 over 4 is equals to square root and cross equality sign, changing from square to square root. So you have square root of 33 over what? 16. You now have x plus 7 over 4 is equals to plus or minus square root of 33. Square root of 33 is 5.7. 5.7 to the 1 decimal place, and square root of 16 is 4. So you have that x is equals to plus or minus 5.7 over 4. This one comes inside the minus, and minus 7 over 4. Now you now follow the plus and minus rule. So you have x is equals to plus 5.7 over 4 minus 7 over 4, or minus 5.7 over 4 minus 7 over 4. And x is equals to, the LCM of this is 4. And we have 5.7 minus 7, or the same LCM is 4. You have 4 minus 5.7 minus 7. So you have 5.7 minus 7. 5.7 minus 7, we have x is equals to minus 1.3 over 4, or minus, that's 12.7, I think. 5.7 plus 7, you have 5.7 plus 7, you have 12.7 over what? 4. And x is equals to, when you divide 1.3 by 4, you have minus 0.325, or 12.7 divided 12.7 divided by 4, you have 3 minus 3.175. So these are the answers. X is equals to minus 0.325 or minus 3.175, and that's the answer. Now don't be confused that two of them are carrying minus. There are some questions in quadratic equation when you solve them, all the answers will carry minus. Sometimes all the answers will carry plus, and sometimes some of the answers might carry plus and minus. So these are the cases you can see. So this is the end of this equation. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.